Hello everyone. I just woke up. I have so many things to do today. But first I'm going to weigh myself. This is my weight. And I just washed my face and now I'm going to make my usual cup of coffee. I don't always add milk because I don't always have milk, but today we have milk at home, so I made a milk coffee. I usually watch YouTube while drinking my morning coffee. Sometimes I just scroll on Instagram, but I like to listen to something uplifting and fun early in the morning. So that is what I'm doing. Then I usually meditate. I can't meditate for more than 15 minutes. I'm trying my best, but usually I have to stop around 10 minutes. So that is something I need to work on. But even 10 minutes make a big difference for the day. I have some things to do on laptop before I go cook breakfast. I cook breakfast and dinner. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. We have a simple and a classic Sri Lankan dish or a meal: white rice, dal curry and soy meat. I'm having my second cup of coffee for the day. Now I have some chores to do. I washed all of the clothes. I have to hand wash everything because we don't have a washing machine. So I hung them. Then I put some rice for the squirrels and birds. I actually take so much pleasure in feeding these beautiful souls, and I'm so happy to share that experience with you. And it looks like it will rain today. It is not even 9 in the morning, but it is already cloudy and dark. But I have to take my morning walk. So that is what I'm doing. This is not actually a walk. I'm on the rooftop just enjoying nature. It is actually really windy too. I mean, I have to run some errands too. I have to go to the nearest town, but it will be difficult if it starts raining. Now actually I have to go and get ready. I need to take another shower. I just washed my face in the morning, but now I have to wash my body and get ready. But the weather seems kind of off today. I usually like rainy weather if I can stay at home, but it is already getting really dark. But I really have to go today. Now I'm on my way to the bus stop. I have to walk through this kind of rural jungle-like area to reach the bus stop. I have to walk more than 1 kilometer to reach an actual road. So that is why I have been telling that I am living in a really rural area. Getting to a form of transportation is actually really hard. But the nature is really soothing and nice. Now I have reached the road and I have to wait here for a bus to come. We have a bus passing through this spot every hour, so I'm waiting for a bus.